Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn Ta-row of Katakana Ta-chi-tsu-te-to. First one, Ta. Ta. Example word, takushii. Takushii means taxi. Example sentence, takushii ni norimasu. Takushii ni norimasu. I will take a taxi. Takushii ni norimasu. Next one, chi. Chi. Example word, chokorēto. Chokorēto means chocolate. Example sentence, chokorēto ga daisuki desu. Chokorēto ga daisuki desu means I love chocolate. Chokorēto ga daisuki desu. Next one, tsu. Tsu. Example word, tsuna. Tuna means tuna. In Japanese, tsuna means canned tuna, while maguro means the tuna fish itself. Let's see the example sentence for tsuna. Tsuna sando wo tabemasu. Tsuna sando wo tabemasu meaning I eat a tuna sandwich. Tsuna sando wo tabemasu. Next we have te. Te. Example word, terebi. Terebi means television. Example sentence, terebi wo mimasu. Terebi wo mimasu meaning I watch TV. Terebi wo mimasu. Next we have to. To. Example word, tomato. Tomato means tomato. Example sentence, tomato wo kaimasu. Tomato wo kaimasu meaning I will buy tomatoes. Tomato wo kaimasu. That's all for today's lesson. In the next lesson, we will see the na row of katakana na, ni, nu, ne, no. See you in the next lesson. Matane.